Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best electric car jacks on Amazon. Having a car jack in your vehicle in case of an emergency can mean the difference between 20 minutes to change a flat tire and being stranded on the road for hours waiting for help. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. E-Help Electric Car Floor Jack. This is a handy little set for those who need a portable electric jack. It includes everything you need for road emergencies and proves to be very convenient for home purposes as well. With the powerful electric jack, an impact wrench, and an inflator tire, you'll be ready to hit the road without any worries at all. The jack has a 5-ton capacity and a lift range from 6.1 to 17.7 inches, which means it's suitable for both small and large vehicles. It's powerful, efficient, and protected from all kinds of threats. Because it's waterproof and impact resistant, the jack is very durable and can be used daily. The device has a built-in inflator pump and LED lights to ensure more visibility during the night. You can connect it to the car cigarette lighter or car battery. Number 2. Stand Tall Electric Car Floor Jack. This is quite a convenient set that has everything you need for regular car maintenance and emergencies. Although mainly designed for sedans and SUVs, it's also suitable for other vehicle types. Due to the quality construction, all the pieces in the set are reliable and easy to use. The set features heavy-duty steel that can withstand quite some abuse and last for a long time. The jack has a 3-ton capacity, a high-speed wrench, and a tire inflator pump. You won't only be able to use it around the house for quick repairs and regular maintenance, but for emergencies as well. The large base and the sturdy saddle make this jack super stable and safe. They prevent wobbling and ensure your vehicle stays secure. There's even a built-in LED light for night use. Also, you'll be able to connect the jack to the 12V outlet or the car battery. Number 3. Embrite Electric Floor Jack. With a capacity of 2,200 pounds and a lift range from 6.1 to 17.3 inches, this electric jack is ideal for all kinds of vehicles. You can use it to lift vehicles of various sizes, including SUVs and trucks. Due to the compact design, the jack is highly portable, and you can keep it within hand's reach all the time. The jack features a 12V cigarette lighter adapter and an 11.4-foot cord. It's incredibly easy to use, operating on only 2 switches, vertical lift control and LED lights. The LEDs are super useful, especially for road emergencies when you need more visibility to keep yourself and others safe. Additionally, there's a built-in safety device that keeps the jack lifted and secured, even when the power is out. Overall, the jack is designed with safety and convenience in mind. It's sturdy, durable, and compact enough to be easily transported and stored. Number 4. Powerbuild Electric Jack and Tire Inflator. Nothing spoils a road trip like a flat tire, especially when you have to wait for road service for hours. Luckily, with an electric floor jack such as Powerbuild, you can quickly resolve this kind of inconvenience all on your own. The jack uses a 12V car outlet or the battery to lift the vehicle. It's ideal for emergencies on the road as well as home purposes. With a 1-ton capacity and lift range from 5.3 to 14 inches, it's suitable for most small and mid-sized vehicles. Furthermore, the lightweight and compact design allows you to take the jack on the road with you and store it with ease. You'll also be pleased with the overall sturdy construction. The jack is very strong and durable, so you get to use it outside without worrying it will easily get damaged. Number 5. Electric Car Floor Jack by Realiancer. If you're looking for a compact electric jack at an affordable price, this model might be perfect for you. The jack is small and lightweight, yet sturdy enough to withstand heavy daily use. You'll find it very handy for emergencies on the road and purposes at home. The jack has a 3-ton capacity and is designed for sedans and SUVs. You can also use it for lifting other vehicles. The device is made of quality materials and features a thick steel plate, so it's super safe regardless of the vehicle's capacity. Also, it's protected from water, rust, wear, and other threats, so you can use it both inside and outside. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.